This is going to be a video tutorial on how to hyperlink an image to a phone number in Microsoft Word. I will be using Office 365 on a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to Word here. I have Microsoft Word opened up now. To hyperlink an image to a phone number to make the image a clickable link, it's very easy to do. Say that this image right here I wanted to hyperlink to a phone number. The way to do that, first thing you want to do is select the image by left-clicking on it. As you can see, I have this image selected now. I have the bounding box around the image. Next thing you want to do is go up to the top up here, up to the Insert tab, and click on Insert. Then on the ribbon, you want to go about halfway down to where it says Link, and click on Link. Then you'll go straight down to where it says Insert Link, and click on Insert Link. Now in this dialog box that opens up here, the pane off to the left hand side, I'm going to put it on Existing File or Web Page. Then down here in the address area, you want to type tel:// followed by the phone number that you want to hyperlink the image to, including the area code. And then you want to end it with a // That tel:// has to be in there, followed by the phone number including the area code, and then you want to end it with a // Then you'll go down to the bottom and you'll click on OK. Now when I place my mouse cursor over that image, it tells you it's hyperlinked to this phone number right here. To test it, it says hold down the Control key and left click on it. I'm going to hold down the Control key and I'm going to left click on the image. And it opens up my phone app. That is how to hyperlink an image to a phone number in Microsoft Word. Thanks for watching.